728, Keyboard Mapping Crisis, Part 8. Let's get into the code. Source code is here. Okay, in the system index, what we're doing in this video is just a gigantic cut and paste. We're taking most of the code from the editor down function inside of keymast. We're taking it and we're pasting it into edic1 because all of the original editor functions are going to go into here. And then keyboard master is going to serve as a control router, right? So if we're in editor mode 1, then we'll use this system. But if we're in editor mode 2, we'll use this system. And this system is going to be an experimental glass panel editor. Okay, let's go down here. Okay, so here is edic1. And inside of this function section, we have edic1 keyboard down, and it gets fed a keyboard event. And all of this code was cut and pasted from the other function. So we added a custom move marker here because there is so much fucking shit in here. There's so much fucking shit in here, and we just want to document the fact that this code has been moved from one place to another. So here's the end of this body, right? So where has it been cut from? Well, it's been cut from the keyboard master function. So inside of keyboard master, down here is keyboard master down editor. Notice that there isn't much in here anymore, right? Because it's mostly going all to here, right? So eventually we're going to use this function as a router function where we will either call edic1 key down or edic2 key down depending on which editor mode we're in, right? That's the plan. That's the plan. Okay, so here's what we did previously, and then we have a little note. So for this move marker, we're going to document what this move marker means. And all it means is that we cut a large chunk of code from here and put it here, right? We cut 99% of the code, we cut from in here, and we paste it in here, and we're formally documenting it right there. Okay, so if you want a longer explanation of this, you can go here to Ninja Playlist 8. You are on Kanji Playlist 8. Technical demos are on Weeboo Playlist 8. Source code is here, and ways of getting a hold of me are here. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game and writing a rendering engine and a server, and I'm documenting all of the code and open sourcing it. So if you want to get your hands on it, you can clone it. So like and subscribe.